are now here at Davao. So we're staying here at Marco Polo. I'm just gonna do a quick room tour for you. So this room is a deluxe room. So from the door entrance, we have this yung safety box na nila. Tapos may pa-drawer silang ganito in here. And then, ito na yung cabinet. They have their cabinet in here. Let's check what's inside. Yeah, as usual, common lang siya. Same as all hotels. Oh, may palighting sila. And then, my free sleepers there. From the front door, this door is toilet na siya. Bath, shower room. A human-sized mirror in here. And from here, they got this for boiling water, ice, and free coffee and tea. And then, free water. Tapos, mirror ulit in here. And then, bed na siya. This is, I guess, king size bed. And then, each side, they have table and wall light. They got chair in there and a table. And working table. And the flat screen TV. The flat screen TV over here. And they have this connection or connecting door. Ito lalagyan ng luggage. So from here we are actually at let me check our floor. So we are actually at the 9th floor. Parang city view siya. Then we are facing yung pool area nila dito. Time view hindi siya kita pero that's our view. This is their pool in here. Yan lang. Ito lang yung room na simple lang yung room nila pero malinis naman siya. Also, parang good location to Marco Polo, guys. Kasi, pagdating namin, meron kami nakita this, parang left side nila, no rights. Right side, may night market sila. And which is, I'm excited about to check. And funny din kasi yung driver na nag-pick up sa amin, he's born from Bohol, which is nakaka-relate. So, kampante tayo. Tapos, chinichika ko siya if it's safe here in Davao. We are only allowed to connect Wi-Fi 3 device only. Not okay.
And ito yung swimming pool area nila ng Marco Polo, which is mahaba siya in fairness.